and the rope. And the lead is taken by Lucky Pine, moving up on the outside. Entry number 2, Spin Cycle. Passing before the judge's stand, Spin Cycle. And moving up on the outside is entry number 10, Impulsive Decision, Sacred Hole. Hail a Star, Style Icon, Classic Appeal. And heading for the backstretch is still Spin Cycle in the lead. And heading for the backstretch, it's still Spin Cycle in the lead. And moving up now on the outside is Impulsive Decision. It's now Impulsive Decision by 3.5, playing Spin Cycle. Hail a Star moving up on the outside, Classic Appeal, Sacred Hole. And nearing the part turn, it is still Impulsive Decision, Hail a Star, entry number 2, that's Spin Cycle. And when we're flying, moving up on the outside, Sacred Hole and Classic Appeal. And as the part turn, it's still Hail a Star in the lead. It's Hail a Star by the rail. On the outside is When We're Flying. Running now into the Sacred Hole, I Wink. The last bend for home, it is still Hail a Star in the lead, followed by When We're Flying on the outside. And Sacred Hole on the farther outside is I Wink. And Classic Appeal moving up on the inside. But it's still entry number 11, Hail a Star in the lead. And When We're Flying moving up on the outside. When We're Flying on the outside, and by the rail is entry number 11, Hail a Star. And finally, it's When We're Flying, Hail a Star, Lucky Pine, Style Icon, Sacred Hole, entry number 3, Classic Appeal.